Phases of the moon. New moon. During a new moon, we can see no portion of the moon's surface that is lit. We see only the dark side of the moon. This typically marks the beginning of the lunar cycle, which lasts 29.5 days. The moon is between the earth and the sun in its orbit. Waxing crescent. During the waxing crescent phase, we see on the right side a small sliver of the lit moon. First quarter. During the first quarter phase, we see the right half of the lit moon. The moon and earth are now side by side in their orbits around the sun. Waxing gibbous. During the waxing gibbous phase, we see almost the entire right side of the lit moon. Full moon. During a full moon, we see the entire half of the moon's surface that is lit. The moon is positioned behind the earth and the sun. Waning gibbous. During the waning gibbous phase, we see almost the entire left side of the lit moon. Last quarter. During the last quarter phase, we see the left half of the moon lit. The moon and earth are now side by side in their orbits around the sun. Waning crescent. During the waning crescent phase, we see on the left side a small sliver of the lit moon.